Hi, this is a video on installing Stria cladding vertically on the James Hardie horizontal cavity batten, with the best tips and tricks included.
Before you get started, it's important that we have all the correct tools. Stria cladding to the correct quantity, nail gun and correct specification nails, flexible sealant and adhesive sealant, primer, spirit level, hammer, nail punch, story rod, dust reducing circular saw using M-class vacuum and Hardie blade, other accessories including internal corners, external corners, vent strip, James Hardie horizontal cavity batten, and your PPE. Always refer to the Stria vertical technical specification for safe working practices. Installation. Install the James Hardie UPVC vent strip at the bottom of all walls and above all openings. Nail at 600mm centers max. Your bottom edge requires an overhang of 15mm past the vent strip. Fix a temporary ribbon board below the bottom plane. The first panel must have a minimum 50mm overhang below the bottom plate. Cut edges must be sealed. Stria cladding is gun nailable. Nail 75mm from the bottom edge of the bottom plate using 75 by 3.06mm D-head nails. Nail 100mm from the edge. Do not fix the other side until the next panel is interlocked. Securely interlock the next panel. Fix the first panel 100mm in from the edge. Fix the second panel 100mm from the edge. Level every third or fourth board. Stria cladding must be painted within 90 days. Accessories installation. Stria internal corner. The Stria internal corner creates a clean internal finish. Fix the internal corner to the cavity batten through the stud. Fix at 400mm centers using round head nails. Apply adhesive sealant. Fix the panel 30mm from the edge using D-head nails. External aluminium box corner. The external aluminium box corner creates a subtle finish. Fix each side of the box corner to the cavity batten at 400mm centers. Apply flexible sealant. Fix the panel 40mm from the edge using D-head nails. Cut edges must be sealed. Horizontal trimline joint flashing. Vertical panels, one above the other, must be joined using a horizontal Stria trimline joint flashing. The flashing must be installed over a vertical batten. Fix at cavity batten centers. Apply adhesive sealant. The adhesive sealant must continue between flashing flange and panel edge. Keep a 15mm gap using a packer. Level the panels using a piece of timber. Finishing the panels. D-head nails must finish 2mm below the panel surface. Fill the hole with 2-part exterior grade builder's fill using an aluminium template. This results in a tidy finish. Once cured, lightly sand with 60 grit sandpaper. Finish by priming the filler.
Thanks for watching this video on installing Stria cladding vertically. For more information, always refer to your Stria Cladding Vertical Technical Specification or ask James Hardie.